This assignment is Target 3 by Jennifer West. This study is over temporal or delayed discounting. The objective of this process is to delay an outcome, then the value of an object or reinforcement will slowly decrease. So what is the significance of this method? Well, it helps us determine if an individual is either impulsive or maintains self-control in situations. Also, if an individual displays both behaviors, it can determine when they exercise one of these behaviors. Socially, it can help address bigger social issues such as dietary needs, drug addiction, gambling, speeding issues, or other issues when impulsivity seems to be an issue in one's behavior. This current study attempted to see the value of an item. The study utilized a survey from the website called SurveyMonkey. The title of the survey was titled, "Want It Now or Wait?" Participants included 43 participants that filled out the survey, 29 females and 14 males. Each were from either Illinois or Wisconsin. They were between the ages of 20 and 69 years of age. It covered several ethnic groups. Those included were Asian, Latino, African American, and Caucasians. Education levels were between high school and graduate school, and it was conducted over a 5-day period. The content of the survey asked 7 questions similar in nature. Would you choose a $50 gift card today or a 70-inch 4K LCD TV in a week? There was 2 multiple choice in the form of want the gift card now or wait a week for the television following each question. The gift cards stayed the same during each delay and then increased in $50 increments after each following delay. The time lengths were listed as 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 3 years. The dependent variable in the study was the responses from the participants that chose the gift card, and the independent variable was temporal delays. The total count IOA was used to achieve the inter-observer agreement. There was 3,010 responses possible, and both observers came to a 100% IOA through the analyzing of the data. The results of this study showed 19 females in their 30s to 40s, all from some college or greater. All were from different ethnic backgrounds, and all chose the television over the gift cards up to the 6th month. Then they chose the gift card. 10 females were in their 20s. Each education level was high school or lower. 6 Latinos and 4 African Americans were of those 10 females. All chose the gift cards over the television. Here the results continue. 14 males were in the survey as well. 9 Latinos and 5 Caucasians. Out of the 9 Latinos, 8 were in their 20s and 1 was in his 30s. All had a high school education or less. All chose to take the gift cards over the television. Out of the 5 Caucasian males, 1 was in his 20s with some education, 2 were in their 50s with some education, 2 were in their 60s, one with a graduate degree, and one with just a high school education. All chose the television over the gift cards up to 6 months. Then after that time period, they chose the gift card. This AUC graph shows the area under the curve and how the initial impulsivity dropped by the participants in the beginning. Then it shows participants at each delay and changing in their responses. Okay, so for discussion, what was discovered? Initially, the data seemed to point to Latino individuals in their 20s that appeared to be more impulsive. Further analysis of data revealed individuals that had high school education or less were among the impulsive group. The survey suggested less education was a reason for impulsivity. The more education one had, the more self-control they appeared to have as well. Regarding limitations, there were several limitations within this study. One, the female to male ratio was not really ideal, 29 to 14. A more equal representation would have been nice to compare the two groups more accurately. Two, the state demographic was not very diverse. The idea was to see if different regions, such as states, would produce a diverse range of data. Three, economics could be placed in the demographics to see if that could play a role in high school or lower education choices, and economics could have also played a role in a person's self-control. Four, the lack of representation of ethnic groups such as Native Americans or more Asians in the study could have also been better. There was only 4 Asians and no Native Americans. In regards to future implications, what possibly could this study produce with a social significance? Well, the study could be repeated and validated. It could help redirect more resources to individuals or minorities to help ensure they get some college education in their background, due to the fact that this survey showed individuals with at least some college education in their background are less impulsive. This concludes my study and assignment, and here's all my references.